Did you know Australia lost a war against birds? See, after World War I, many soldiers went back to their homes and became farmers, mainly planting wheat. But there was one problem. Emus really like wheat. When their breeding season came around, huge flocks of them started tearing through the farmers' crops. They tried fighting off the birds, but they were useless against them. They went to their government for help, and soldiers were sent out multiple times to take care of the problem. All of their attempts failed. The birds were too fast, and they outnumbered the soldiers. After a month of fighting, they had only killed 5% of the emus.